LAN, local area network, is a group of computer and other device connected together in a small area. This area can be a home, office, school, and even a small building. LAN helps the computer and device share data, file, printer, and even the internet. For example, in a school, many computers can connect to a printer using LAN. LAN are usually connected using cable, such as Ethernet cable, but they are also be wireless Wi-Fi. A big advantage of LAN is that it is fast and cheap. Since the devices are close together, the connection is fast and smooth. It addition LAN is more secure because only people in that area can access the network. However, the network has more covered area and limited number of devices that cannot connect to other without the internet, and the problem in one can affect the whole network. Nowadays, almost everyone and home you learn to help people work, study, and communicate better. It makes sharing and working together much easier.